Hello, my dear friends. I am very happy to see you here. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic, success in life. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone dreams of having a good life, a happy family, a nice job, or a big goal. But many people do not know how to become successful. They try many things, but still feel lost. Some give up early. Some feel tired. Some think that success is only for lucky people, but that is not true. Success is not only for lucky people. Success is for anyone who is ready to work hard, stay strong, and never give up. In this video, I will tell you simple ways to become successful in life. These are not difficult ideas. These are easy steps. Anyone can follow them. A student, a worker, a business person, or a housewife. You do not need to be very smart or very rich. You only need to have a clear goal, a good plan, and the heart to keep going. I will explain everything step by step in very simple English. Please listen carefully. Take your time. Take notes if you want. This video is made for you. Let's begin our journey to success. Step 1. Know what you want. The first step to success is to know what you want. This sounds simple, but it is very important. Many people are confused. They do not know what they really want in life. Some want money, some want fame, some want peace, and some want a big house or a happy family. It is okay to want different things, but you must be clear in your mind. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what do I really want in life? Is it to become a doctor, a teacher, a business owner, or just to live a peaceful life in a small home with my loved ones? Close your eyes and imagine your perfect life. Think about what makes you happy. That is your goal. Write it down on a paper. Make it clear. If your goal is not clear, you will not know which way to go. You will walk in circles. So please make your goal simple, clear, and honest. Let me give you an example. A young boy named Sam wanted to become a doctor. He wanted to help people. He saw many sick people in his village, and he wanted to give them good care. So he wrote his goal on paper. I want to become a doctor and help sick people. That was the first big step in his success. Step 2. Make a simple plan. Now that you know what you want, the next step is to make a simple plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You need a map to reach your destination. You cannot say, I want to become a doctor, and just wait. You need to know what to do next. So, take your goal and break it into small steps. Write down what you need to do first, then second, then third. For example, Sam wrote down his plan like this. First, study science in school. Second, get good marks in exams. Third, apply to a good college. Fourth, study hard and do practice in hospitals. Fifth, become a doctor and help people. Your plan must be simple and easy to follow. You don't need to plan everything in one day. You can update your plan as you move forward, but make sure to write it down. A written plan is a powerful thing. It reminds you of what you must do. Step 3. Start small, but start today. Many people wait for the perfect time. They say, I will start tomorrow or I will start next month. But that perfect time never comes. Success does not wait for the right time. The best time to start is today. You don't have to do something big. Just start with something small. If you want to become a writer, write 1 page today. If you want to get fit, go for a short walk today. If you want to learn something, watch 1 video or read 1 page today. Small actions build great results. Every big building starts with 1 brick. Every great journey starts with 1 step. Sam started small. He read one science book. He took one class seriously. That was his first step. You can do the same. Don't worry about how far your dream is. Just take one step and do it today. Step 4. Work every day. Success comes from daily effort. Working once a week or once a month is not enough. You must work every day, even if you are busy, even if you are tired. Do something for your goal each day. You can do something small, read one page, solve one problem, learn one word. The most important thing is to be regular. Make a daily routine. For example, you can decide, every morning I will think about my goal. In the afternoon, I will take one step toward it. At night, I will review what I did. Sam followed this routine. Every day he studied. Even when his friends played games, he studied a little. He made his goal his daily habit. And that made all the difference. Success is not about doing big things sometimes. It's about doing small things every day. Step 5. Learn from failure. Everyone fails. Yes, even successful people fail. But the difference is they learn from their failures. They do not stop. They do not give up. They look at their mistakes and try again. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. It teaches you what not to do. It helps you grow. So do not feel sad if you fail. Do not stop. Get up. Learn the lesson. Try again. Sam failed a test. He felt bad, but he didn't quit. He looked at his mistakes. He studied harder. And next time he passed. That is the power of learning from failure. So when you fail, smile. Say thank you, because failure is your teacher. It is showing you the right way. Step 6. Stay away from negative people. In your journey to success, you will meet two kinds of people. One group will support you. They will say, you can do it. They will help you. The second group will pull you down. They will say, you are not good enough, or it's not possible. These are negative people. Stay away from negative people. They give you fear. They make you doubt yourself. They will stop your progress. Instead, stay close to people who lift you up. Talk to people who believe in you. Read good books. Watch motivational videos. Listen to success stories. Sam had some friends who didn't study. They made fun of him. They said, you study too much. So he moved away from them. He found new friends who wanted to succeed. That helped him stay focused. So remember, your company matters. Be with people who push you to grow. Step 7. Believe in yourself. This is the most important step. You must believe in yourself. You must believe that you can succeed. Even if no one believes in you, you must. Say this every day. I can do it. I am strong. I will not give up. These words are powerful. They give your brain strength. They give your heart hope. Self-belief is the engine of success. Without it, nothing works. Even when times are hard, you must have faith in yourself. Sam believed in himself. He said, I will become a doctor. I will work hard. I will not quit. That belief kept him going. You are special. You have power inside you. Just believe. Step 8. Take care of your body and mind. To reach success, your body and mind must be healthy. Eat good food, drink water, sleep well, do some exercise. Take care of your body. It is your tool. Also take care of your mind. Think positive. Say kind words. Don't fill your mind with hate or fear. Stay calm. Do meditation if you want. Read good books. A fresh mind learns better. A healthy body works faster. Sam ate simple food. He slept on time. He stayed peaceful. That gave him more energy to study and grow. So remember, take care of yourself. You are important. Step 9. Never give up. The final step is simple. Never give up. Life will test you. You will have hard days. You may feel like stopping, but don't. Keep going, even if you are slow, even if you make mistakes. Keep walking, step by step, day by day. Success is not about speed, it is about not quitting. Sam had many bad days. He felt tired, but he never stopped. He kept going, and one day he became a doctor. You can also do it, just don't give up. My dear friend, success is not a big mystery. It is a simple path. Anyone can walk on it. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear, focused, and strong. If you follow these steps, you will become successful. You will reach your dreams. The world is waiting for your success. You can do it. You are ready. Start now. Start today. One step, one action, and one day you will look back and smile because you did it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Always remember, success begins with one small step. Take it today.